So guys, this is the management of Shiv St. Joseph Inter College. This is the number 1 college of Thakurdwara. You can study here till class 12. Our school has won many trophies and medals like this. Always encourage to the students. Let's see a debate between the students.
Timetable is not very important. It is very important to have a mood. If we are interested in study, so we can sit with a concentrated mind and we study. So we do not need any timetable. Timetable helps us very much if we work according to time and manage time. Timetable is important to who studies. Timetable helps us very much if we work according to time and manage time. Timetable is important to learn all subjects. Timetable is important to learn all work. Timetable is important to manage all work. Timetable helps us very much if we work according to time and manage time. When we have a strong desire to study, we can study, we concentrate at any time. We should have confidence in ourselves. We can study any subject anytime. Timetable is not important. We should study properly without timetable. We read, study any subject anytime. Timetable is not required. Timetable is very important. The future is learned to subject hour to hour. Everything has a timetable because of the timetable. Our time is not wasted. Our mind confused. Be study. The timetable is important. Be study. Be on the subject. This is a good trick. Be on the subject. Timetable is a perfect manner and your mind is not confused in timetable. Thanks.
Anytime. It is not necessary that they will have to prepare a timetable. They who know that they cannot remember the subject study from the timetable. Timetable is not important. It is our mood important.
It gives us extension and emphasis to various subjects and activities according to their relative importance or difficulties. This leads to a better focus as a child is concentrating on one task without worrying about others. It shows exactly what is to be done at the particular time. If we work according to the timetable, we can't face the difficulties.
Timetable is not important because we can read from the timetable. We read that we know that we cannot carry out the subject. We should not study from timetable. We can read anytime. We can read anytime, any subject. Timetable is not necessary. It is not necessary to read from timetable. If there are party function in our house, then your timetable is spoiled. So it is not necessary to read from timetable. We have confidence. We can read anytime, any subject. Timetable is not important. Our mood is very important thing. We can't study properly without any timetable. If we can according to timetable, we can easily complete our work and save our time. Timetable is very useful to us to learn all subjects. Timetable is manage your time. Thank you.
It is not necessary. We read from the timetable. From the timetable, we that cannot carry out the subject. We should have confidence on ourselves. At some time limitation, we can read any subject. Time is not necessary. It is not necessary for us to study because we can any subject.
Hello guys, how are you? Are you looking a coaching for Navodaya Vidyalaya and All India's Sainik School entrance examinations? We are now providing you the best coaching center for Navodaya and Sainik School entrance examination. If you are in class 4th and class 5th, or if you are class 7th or 8th, this is the best time for you to preparation for this examination. Hostel and other facilities are available in our coaching, and also day boarding facility is available. So guys, don't delay. Join today CVAX coaching, Kundeshwari, Kasipur, district Udham Singh Nagar, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. Thanks for watching and please recommend all students you know. Thank you.